This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tricia Schatzberger. Move-in ready 3-bed 2.5 bath townhouse with 1,496 square feet living space. Perfect location, minutes to downtown Dunedin and 7 minutes to Clearwater Beach, with easy access to Tampa. Open floor plan with guest powder room on first floor. Split bedrooms upstairs giving adequate privacy to the master en-suite bedroom/bathroom. Dual sinks, large garden tub, walk-in shower and walk-in closets. No lugging laundry basket upstairs as the laundry room is conveniently located on the second floor of the home. 1-car garage with plenty of storage. 1-year AC warranty. Low HURRAY monthly fees with maintenance of exterior and grounds included. Hooray! This won't last. Make your appointment today. For more information,